The tub overflowed upstairs, and therefore we had to have the drywall torn out. In our bathroom, because people were asking, nominal 3-inch, aka 2.5. Nominal 2 by 3, 1.5 by 2.5. The wet wall is a sum total of 10 inches deep, but two 2 by 3s. Joists are nominal 2 by 8, I guess. But boy, look at this one with all the included bark in it. Not so strong. So this is the non-structural wall. Then in the hallway, it comes over and crosses over here on top of this wall, which is, you know, of course with drywall, 5 inches, which makes it, basically there's 2 by 4s inside of here. Nominal 2 by 4s. So this is the structural wall. And then the strapping for hanging your drywall is, well, so this is what, 5/4 maybe? What do we got here? No. Yeah, okay. So 3/4 by 2 1/4 actual for the strapping. Anyway, that's the story. The plastering crew put down paper and then tar paper to protect the floors, and of course taped off and plasticked over the areas they were not working. The crew did an excellent job in terms of throwing in the drywall, cutting it precisely, taping it with fiberglass tape, and then finishing it off, and then matching the sand swirl of our ceiling. And here we are with the new ceiling blended in. So there's the delineation, but you know, from this pattern, as you go forward, you know, we got that texture all the way down the hall, which is good. And then into the bathroom, we went with a smooth ceiling, which looks pretty good. And we have to wait a few days before things dry. We could put the light back up. But we are in good shape here. It's nice to see.